Welcome back, my friends, to another Sprinkler Tech Tip product overview. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and we got a fun one today because this product is actually discontinued, but we have quite a few of them left. So this video is being recorded April of 2021. I think we have, maybe less than 100, but it's a discontinued face panel from Hunter. It's the 526-200, and this face panel is for older PC controllers with green buttons. So let's take a quick look at it here. Open it up out of the box. Boom, there we have it. So this is sort of the original Hunter PC controller face panel. And the PC controller was designed to be truly modular, meaning you can replace most of the parts in the system without taking the whole control panel off. However, if you do have a PC controller with green buttons, it is essentially end of life, and there's only a few of these face packs left. And again, we have, I think, less than 100. It's April 2021. If you're looking at this video later, you may have to replace your entire control box because this particular panel is no longer manufactured. Again, this is the one with green buttons, and it should look familiar. You'll just pop your other one off. You can simply take it off the control box by releasing the hinge, disconnecting the ribbon cable, and making the replacement. I would always recommend that before you switch these out, disconnect the power to the control box. Here it is in all its glory, the beautiful original Hunter Pro C face pack with green buttons. So keep that in mind. If you're not sure which face panel you need and your existing controller has green buttons, then you need this face panel replacement. There is a newer face panel that's for more modern or more recent controllers, but it doesn't have green buttons. So look for the one with the green buttons, and I hope you're able to find a replacement. If not, if you're watching this video in 2022, it might be hard to find these and you may have to replace your entire controller, which again is not technical. It's easy. It can probably take you 20 minutes, but you will have to remove all the wiring, take the controller off, and either replace it with the same Hunter Pro C or another controller. Probably just recommend replacing it with the another version from Hunter. Maybe you want to get the HydroWise version, connect it up to the cloud, operate it with your smartphone, etc. So hope that helps. If you need any help with your Hunter controllers, how to wire it, how to hook up your rain sensors, how to hook up pump start relays, we're happy to help you. You can reach us by phone, chat, and email. So until the next Sprinkler Tech Tip or product overview, I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and happy sprinkling.